Have you ever gone through this situation where you cannot wake up with your normal alarm, even with your maximum sound? This might become worse because your brain did not fully wake up. Because of this problem, we already designed a solution for you. Wake alarm with automatic light on and water sprinkle will be the best solution for you. Seems harsh but well functioned to solve your old bad habit.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nivati Kisina Amran, EC18007, and I'm gonna explain for the coding part of this project. And as you can see, this for hashtag include is for the include library, and this is for the address for liquid crystal I2C, and this is for a declaration for input and output. This is the declaration for hours, minute, and second, and this all is declaration for the timer. And we have a run page, minute page, and hours page. So we use the bool variable for true or false value. And as you can see, this one is declaration for LCD, and it will display wake alarm and from group 9. And this is a declaration for input, digital input, which is push button, and this is a digital output, buzzer, lamp, relay, and servo, and this is a LDR, which is analog input. So the EEPROM will check the value, and it will write the at hours 0 and at hours 1, and if it's not, the EEPROM will read the memory. And for void main, EEPROM will read the memory at hours and at minutes, and the second is 0. So the LCD display will come up start or set time, and the cursor will go to 4:1. And if hours less than 9 for the single digit, so it will print a 0 value, and it is the same for the minute and the second. So the min page is true and hours page is true, which means this is a play. So if the stop button is being pushed, the system will run, and the lamp will digital right lamp will low, and this one is low, so no tune for the buzzer. And while it's running, for if the stop button is push, the digital read is low, digital write is low, and the relay is low, so the LCD will display time stop, and the system will be stopped. So the relay high, so the countdown starts, and the second is -1. So second equal to -1, it will be below 0, and the minute is then minute is -1. So same goes for the hours. So hours will be -1, then hours will 0. So if hours is less than 9, which is a single digit, it will print the value 0 first, same as the minute and second. So it will print the 0 value first. So if the value of hours is 0, minute is 0, second is 0, and the countdown is finished. So the lamp is on, and so the relay will countdown stop the relay, and the lamp is on, so as the buzzer pin is done. Next, if LDR is higher than 800, which is the value of light intensity of the light, so the servo motor will go to 0, 90 degrees, and 180 degrees. So the digital is pressed, digital button is pressed, and the LCD will display set minute, and will the increase button is pressed, minute will +1, and if minute is higher than 60, the minute will become 0. So it is same as the with decrease button, and if the set is pressed again, the mini pages will false, which is will stop. So the hours page will be proceed, and the LCD will display set hour, and this is the same as the I shown you above. This is push button increase, and this push button decrease is pressed, and this is if the push button set is pressed again, the hours page will become false, which is stop. And if hours is 0 and minute is 0, the LCD display will be invalid time. And if it's not, then it will write the new value for hours and minutes. So that's all. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Nashaira binti Muhammad Fazil, EC18067. I'm going to present the simulation of our project. So this is our simulation in Proteus. We use the Arduino Uno, the LCD to display words or time, the LDR as a sensor to detect light intensity. We have 5 buttons with different function, and we have the buzzer to produce sound, and the servo motor, and we have 12-volt LED. So after we run the Proteus, so it will display the wake alarm from group 9, and then after 2 seconds, the LCD will change to display the start or set time. And here we're gonna set our desired time. So for me, I will set the time to 1 minute only, and we have to push the increase and decrease button to adjust the minutes. So here the time is 1 minute already, and we just push the start button, and it will display like this. So we have to wait until it countdowns until 0. So we have to wait until the time has stopped, and then after the time stop, the buzzer will be triggered and make sound like this. And then after it trigger the buzzer to make sound, the LED will light up, and the LDR will sense the light from the 12-volt LED. And after it senses the LED, it will automatically trigger the motor to rotate at the same time. So that's all for the simulation part, and we're gonna proceed with the hardware part. Thank you.
So this is our hardware from inside. There are 4 push buttons here, and this is LCD. Okay, so you can see right now here it's moving, and then Arduino Uno right there, typical with this is the LDR sensor, and this is the lamp, so it will detect the light from here, and this is for servo motor. So if we wait for 1 minute, you can see 30 seconds. So we can see after this the lamp here will turn on, and the LDR will detect the light. Okay, so right now the motor is moving, and the lamp here is turned on, and the LDR there we detect the light intensity. Now you didn't have to worry about your problem anymore.